y'all, so today I'm doing some long faux locks, and today's video is sponsored by Sam's Beauty. I'm going to show you the hair that I have. It's the Authentic African Braid Collection Water Wave 32 inches, which is really long, color 1B. I have 8 packs of color 1B and 1 pack of color TT30, I think, because I wanted a brown up front. So I already parted out my hair. Let me show you the part. So I just braided the root and then twisted the rest of the way down. Starting in the back, I have 3, 5, 5, 3, and 3. On this side, I have 2, 3, and 4. And same for this side, 2, 3, and 4. This part was a little thin, so I just braided it all the way. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start in the back first, and then try to like get my groove to know how, like get the technique down, and then I'm gonna come back on camera and show you guys the front. So you want to start off with a piece of Marley hair and just thread that through the root of your twist. Then you want to get out 3 curls of the Authentic hair and then pull that through, and then you want to make sure just one end is slightly longer than the other end. That one end that's longer, you're going to fluff it out using a paddle brush, and this is going to be the strand you use to wrap your lock. So make sure you fluff it out really good without tangling it, and then you want to start wrapping tight at the root so that your roots are tight. I know some people like to leave loops out during their wrapping down the lock, but I don't do that because it like kind of creates like a distressed look already, so I just let it go. So I'm going to continue to wrap all the way down until I run out of that wrapping piece strand. And then once I run out, I'm going to fluff out the ends of the remaining hair. I'm going to take it, fold it up halfway using my finger, and then I'm going to use the leftover hair to wrap downwards again. And then I'm going to just like finagle it and wrap upwards. And then I'm going to secure it with some nail glue. And I think I do this about 2 times. Or sometimes I just need the nail glue once. But yeah, I just put in the nail glue and then palm roll it, and then that's it. And the lock does not come out. So let me show you guys again. You're going to feed in a strand of Marley hair, and that's to just fill up your lock. Then you're going to get out 3 curls of the Authentic curly hair, and then you're going to make sure one strand is longer than the other. Fluff out the longer strand because this is your wrapping hair. You want your wrapping hair to just be distressed and also not be like defined. So you just wrap tight at the root and then wrap all the way down. Again, you don't have to leave out any loops because the hair already looks distressed already. It has its own bumps because of how the curl is. Then you want to continue to wrap all the way down, and then once you're at the very end, fluff out the ends, fold the ends up halfway using your finger in the middle, and then continue to wrap down. And then just try to finesse it and start wrapping upwards. Then use nail glue to secure your ends. And then wrap that around the nail glue. Then palm roll it and throw the lock back and move on to the next. So I just wanted to really emphasize how to seal the ends for you guys. So again, fluff out the remaining end, fold it up halfway like here. Use that leftover strand to start wrapping downwards, and it does not come out. So keep wrapping, and if the end has like a loop, it's okay. Now you want to add your nail glue to secure in that end and wrap around the nail glue really tight. That's really how it stays. Then palm roll it to make sure everything is secure. So again, fluff out the remainder of the end, and then you're going to fold it up halfway, then start wrapping down. Just basically, it's like you're starting a new lock on the ends of your lock, basically. Just think of it like that. And then once you feel like you can't wrap down anymore, start wrapping upwards. That really helps with securing the lock. And then adding your nail glue, a few drops, like 3 or 4, and then wrap tightly around that nail glue. You can use whatever nail glue you want. I like to use like the ones that say like speed dry, quick dry, you know, those types of glues. So one more time, you're going to fold it halfway, wrap it down. Once you can wrap down, wrap up, secure it with some nail glue, and wrap really tightly around the nail glue, then palm room. And that's it. I don't know. I don't remember how long these took. I think they took like 5 hours altogether. Hey y'all, so I'm finished. I started at 11 p.m. It's now 3 a.m. These are the Locs. Can y'all see? Okay, so you can see the limb. Ah, they're so pretty. I love the limb. So, and that's why I chose like the extra long hair. Like you saw, it was easy to make the faux locks with. It was easy to brush out. The curls are pretty and long, so you can make like super long passion twists if you want it, or super long like passion braids. But yeah, so I'm finished. They do have some weight to them, so I love this hair. This hair is nice. See, I have the color up front. Yeah, I put the color right here and right here. Yeah, so yeah, I hope you guys love this video, love this tutorial. The locks are super cute. Perfect for summer. So yeah, I hope this video was very helpful to you guys. Thumbs up this video if it was helpful. Check out more like this on my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.